Hi, this is Drew from ShowMeCables. Today I'm going to show you how to terminate a BNC Male Crimp Connector for RG59 or RG62 Plenum cable. This is a two-piece connector, which means the pin is pre-installed in the connector housing. The only other piece is the ferrule. For today's project, we are going to need an RG59 Plenum cable, a male BNC crimp connector, a coax stripper, and a crimp tool. To begin, take your coax stripper and remove the outer jacket and dielectric of the cable. The advantage of using a coax stripping tool is that it cuts both the outer jacket and dielectric at the same time. Rotate the tool a few times around the outside of the cable and peel the jacket off. Using your hands, fold back the braided shield on top of the jacket and slide the ferrule over the braid and the jacket. Next, take the BNC male connector housing and slide it all the way down until it's against the jacket. Slide the ferrule back over the jacket, making sure it folds the braid onto the connector. Take your crimp tool and crimp the ferrule onto the jacket. This will create a secure connection. Give it a tug for testing to make sure it's properly seated. Now you've successfully terminated a BNC male two-piece connector.